everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we're taking a look inside of Vampire Knight, the complete series on Blu-ray. So to start out, here's the cover, the spine, the back. Sorry about the glare, the slipcover is very reflective. And there's the other side. Take the slipcover off, and you get this. Open it up, and you get season 1 with episodes 1 through 7, and episodes 8 through 13 on disc 2, and then season 2 disc 1 with episodes 1 through 7, and 8 through 13 of season 2. And then on the back, it is reversible. You could have this as the artwork, and then do this, and that. So this has been Vampire Knight, complete series on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.